Hey everybody, and welcome back to Farm Girl in Progress. I am Nadine and I have something really exciting to share with you guys today. I've kind of been keeping it a secret, so I'm really excited that I finally get to share it with you guys today. So something that we have been talking about for quite a while with my children is getting into 4-H. And I figured the easiest thing to get into 4-H with would be bunnies and showing bunnies. And so I have some guys to introduce you to. Let's go. Welcome to our rabbitry, guys. So let me introduce you one at a time here. So this is Cobalt. He's a young buck. Hi, Cobalt. This guy here is Bam Bam. The cage isn't gonna let me. He is a senior buck. This is Speedy. Hi, Speedy. I'm gonna turn around. These two are Nova and Galaxy. This is Miss Penny. Miss Cobbler. This one is Miss Eden and Miss Ravina. She is a young doe, and these two, Eden and Cobbler, are senior does. And these six here, so Speedy, Cobbler, Bam Bam, Eden, Cobalt, and Ravina, are all of our pedigreed American Blue bunnies that we're going to be breeding and showing for 4-H. Miss Penny is a pet. She came free with the American Blues. I don't think we're going to be breeding her, so she's just along for the ride, aren't you, sweet girl? And then these guys are Dutch, and they are just pets also. We may breed them later on down the road, but for right now they are way too young for that, so for now we're just enjoying their company. And then we have two others here. Oh, she's not in there. So this one is Miss Duchess. Hi, sweet girl. She is an English Spot. And over here is Mr. Duke. He is a young buck. He's also an English Spot. Hi, buddy. He's super sweet. Hi, bud. So those are all of our bunnies, guys. I absolutely love having them here, and I'm so excited that I finally got to share them with you guys. This is really just an exciting addition to our homestead. So now that the secret is out of the bag and I get to share all of these wonderful bunnies with you guys, the reason why we went with the American Blue bunnies is because they're actually on the agricultural list for endangered or threatened species. And my oldest son here has made mention that he wants to be an animal conservationist when he gets older. So we wanted,
yeah, that's true.
So we wanted to pick a bunny that really needed some help bringing its numbers back up and to keep that species alive and well. So that's why we went with the pedigreed American Blues for 4-H and for showing and breeding purposes. Now, I know a lot of homesteading families do rabbits on their homestead for meat purposes. I personally have never eaten rabbit before, so I don't know if I would even like it. And I don't think it's an animal that I can keep myself detached from in order to have it as a meat source on our homestead.
Is it because they're so cute and fuzzy and cute and you can cuddle with them?
Yes. So they would be more of a pet in my eye versus a meat source. Now maybe that'll change later on down the road. I don't know, but for right now, we are just helping with their numbers. We are going to show them, we are going to breed them, and we are just going to enjoy their company here on our homestead. Now, I'm really excited to be jumping into this with you guys because one, it's something that I haven't done in a really, really long time. So I'm kind of jumping into this.
Wait, Mommy, you've done 4-H before?
No, I've had bunnies before, but I've never done 4-H before. So it's been a really long time since I've actually had bunnies myself. So I'm kind of jumping into this as a newbie again. And I get to teach you guys as I'm learning. So I'm getting to teach you rabbit husbandry, how to properly house them, how to properly feed them, how to care for them and keep them thriving and healthy. So, and that's one of the reasons why I really started my channel, was to teach you guys as I'm learning. I don't know everything and I don't claim to know everything. So when I'm learning something new, I want to be able to encourage you guys and teach you guys as I'm learning those new skills as well, so we can learn together and grow this community of just like-mindedness, closeness, and grow those new skills together. And so I'm really, really excited for this addition to our homestead. I'm really excited that I finally got to share it with you guys, and I'm excited for what it's going to bring in the future. So be looking forward to lots of cute bunny videos in the future. We're going to be talking about 4-H, we're going to be talking about showing, and everything else that goes along with that. So thank you guys so much for being here. If you like our videos, be sure to like and subscribe. It really helps our channel out, and we really appreciate it. You guys are awesome at being great supporters, and we really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and remember to grow where you're planted.